just really nervous now. Just everything, it's too much. Still this house full of junk I don't want, a bathroom that's incomplete, a fence that's not built. I got nothing coming in. I got...
Well, you have to find something to make money, and hopefully you'll break through on the radio.
Remy Hound. Look at that. We are here in Cincinnati. Let's remember where we parked, 13th and Broadway. Okay. And we're here in beautiful, historic, over the Rhine district, made famous from the 1999, I think, feature film Traffic, but it's since been thoroughly gentrified, and it looks amazing. Like, this is what a properly revitalized Rust Belt city looks like. It's like everywhere you look, every which direction you could possibly walk, it's beautiful and interesting, and just you just feel like you could walk all day. Dude, powering up the climb. Yeah, it's a different smell in the air. The air feels different, the energy feels different. Finally. Pierogi window. Alright, beyond psyched. Thank you.
Have a good one. Thank you.
Come on, Remy. We got pierogies. Oh. You like those? Got some pierogies. Hey, these are my pierogies now. They're my pierogies. Fork? We have a fork. Pierogies. This lobby is magnificent. Look at this. Hilton Cincinnati. To Hilton Cincinnati. That's the lobby up there, isn't it? Art Deco, terracotta. Look at this beautiful original 1931 tiling. All right, let's go up here, Remy.
And she was like, really?
Sorry.
That's okay. I thought that was one of her friends.
We'd join you, but no dogs allowed.
Oh.
No dogs allowed.
Can I say hi to your dog?
Yes, of course. Her name is Remy.
What is it?
Remy bluetick coonhound.
I had a Walker Coonhound.
Oh, a train walker, TWC. Yeah, great
You don't
breed.
You don't mushroom tucker?
So lovely.
Yeah, she's a sweetheart.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
How old is she?
She's turning 10 this year.
Oh no!
You okay? You need a hand?
Give me that. Oh. Phone. I got it. Got him. Hold on.
Why did you do that? What happened?
Slippery floor.
Turned around, he was on the ground.
There you go. Whoa.
I think he's had maybe one too many.
One too many? Okay.
Maybe like 3 too many.
All the way to the top. Right, Remy? Get a shot over here. It's the iconic bridge into Kentucky. Wow, would you look at that? Just gorgeous. Left the dog in the room. She was kind of cramping my style. Seriously, love downtown Cincinnati. It's just got great walkability, great energy. I mean, it's great. Could be better, but what downtown couldn't? CT5 V Blackwing. Okay, Blackwing. Check it out. And it's if you can see, it's the 6-speed manual. Yeah, I know it's hard to see, but trust me it is. This is the car you want. This is the ultimate road trip machine. This is like my ATS 6-speed, but on steroids. This is like, oh, automotive perfection right there.
You do YouTube?
Yeah.
Downtown, y'all. What's your YouTube channel?
Give a shout out to the Sigma Workshop.
Shout out to the Sigma Workshop.
That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, that's all
Y'all
right.
go shop with them.
All right, like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Hit that like button.
Let's get in the car and we'll check out. And hey, it's a corgi. Corgi wants your food, Remy. Why aren't you interested in your food? She's too much road tripping. She wants to get back on the road. Hello. Hello. Oh. All right, we better not. Okay, move over, Remy. You need to move over to your side. Remy, move over. Good to meet you. I'm Dallas. Don't mind me. I'm documenting the occasion, of course. Oh, there's Sally. Oh, wow. Hello. 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 Aw, here. She's small compared to Remy.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, Remy's like 65 pounds. No, little buddies. Hello, little dudes. Hello. Oh, are you getting a final meal?
Yeah, they just drink tons of water, so we should probably let them tinkle a little. They love this setup.
Oh. Hi. Oh my God. You're home.
They're adorable. I'm gonna miss them.
It's okay, Sam. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Getting her fixed because we're not in the business of puppying. I mean, this was just fell in our lap, but we don't want to put her.
It has been an experience.
Yeah.
11, they just kept coming.
We
I
had no
can't-
idea.
But honestly, I'm gonna tell you, the one with the 2 spots, you're getting me calm spot. We're really partial to him.
Aw.
They're both awesome, but he'll look at you like in your eye. I don't know. He's a special. They're all special, but he's super sweet. Not that the other one isn't.
So the story is you found her in the woods.
Actually, I have something for you. I wrote it up so you never have to forget it. Let me get
She
it.
wrote a
Okay.
story.
Hi,
Forget
hello,
the
buddy.
story.
Hello, little dude.
And she tracked us, me and my buddy, 5 miles. I got a tracking app. My tracked us 5 miles, and I was like, oh, we'll never see her again. The next morning, she found her way back to camp. I don't know how. And this old man that I met out there, he said, she told me her name is Sally and she wants to go home with you. And I was like, I always wanted a hound dog, and she was going to buy me one for Christmas. I didn't know it.
Yeah.
And she was like, don't bring that dog home. I said, I got to.
Perfect hound.
But she wouldn't even come near us.
Sally, you
She
were.
was like real scared.
Hey, buddies.
I love her.
Oh my God.
She's a good mommy.
Oh,
So I wrote just this story, and then that's a picture of when they were a day old.
oh.
All of them. I think that's.
I can keep this.
Yeah,
These
this
are
is-
copies.
This is
the
for
story?
you. It's the story.
Oh,
It's just
would you read it for me
Of
on camera?
So on 11/10/2023, Daryl was on a hunting trip in Gallipolis near Point Pleasant, the heart of Mothman country. Deep in the woods, far from city lights, Daryl saw a dog laying on the side of a dirt road near a cliff. He thought the poor beast was surely dead. Upon inspection and an offering of jerky, the dog revived. Slow to trust and skittish, she hung around Daryl at his camp for 5 days. The jerky was just so tempting. A local hunter, Nelson, told Daryl, that poor dog is yours now, and her name should be Sally. Take her home to your wife. Newly named Sally and Daryl made the trip from Gallipolis to Independence, Kentucky. Sally was tick-covered, emaciated, and unsure. After a much-needed bath, some good food, and tick medicine, her spirit started to shine. She bellowed at the family, her friendly hello, looking for treats she knew we all had in our pockets. She started to nap on the couch, and we found she loved stuffed animals. In early December, her belly started to grow. Maybe it is the good food, some would say. Maybe we need to cut down on bacon strips, her favorite, others replied. Well, no diet was going to change the growing belly. Sally gave birth to 11 healthy blue-tick coonhound puppies on 12/23/2023. May Sally's rescue story be a lesson to us all on resilience, to never give up before the miracle happens, and the importance of kindness. May you and your pup have all the love, adventure you both can handle, all the hikes your legs can take you on, and a belly full of jerky if needed, and maybe even an Mothman sighting. Thank you for becoming part of the story of Sally and her pups. With all of our love, Katie and Daryl Ward.
Oh. Car door's open. You just let her out.
Yeah,
I don't think she'll go anywhere. She's,
Oh, she's beautiful.
Oh my God.
Let her go.
yeah.
Okay, you sure?
Yes.
Even with Sally with her puppies?
I think she'll. Well,
Here.
they look like they want to play.
Okay. I'm gonna do it.
Come on, Remy. But she just wants to sniff all around. She's not even that interested in Sally.
It's okay, Sal Gal.
Hey, Remy.
Wants to play.
Look, her puppies want to play.
It's okay.
I love her bark.
Oh, hey. I think maybe she wants a drink. Hello. Oh yeah. Look at that. They're bonded too.
Oh yeah.
Were those two particularly prone to sticking together?
Alice, they were, but they all it depends on the day. But I noticed they were always kind of near each other. But they're all 11 were near each other. You know what I mean?
Right.
Yeah, I think Sally was a hunting dog. She wants to go hunt with her.
Yeah.
Good girl.
There we go.
Sally.
Everybody sniff.
Good girl.
Everybody sniff.
That's so nice.
Hi, puppies. Hello, puppies. You are cute. You are cute. You are cute. I'm sorry, Sally. I know how much you love your puppies. Names, I'll meditate on it tonight.
I
And-
can't wait because your Creole theme, I love it.
Yeah.
I think that's like Remy. She's amazing.
Yeah.
How sweet and just how she was on.
Yeah. Have to say,
I
my
love her.
we never, it's kind of sad. We never took her on trips because my ex-wife thought it would just be like this the whole time in the hotel and we get kicked out. But we stayed at the Westin Magnificent Mile in Chicago.
Yeah, you were telling that.
Yeah, we
It
stayed.
gives me hope for Sally because we don't want a hunting dog that stays outside. We want a home dog.
Yeah, no,
They're,
Sally already seems like she's there. So, Remy, we had.
She has a lot to say.
We stayed in downtown Cincinnati, and she didn't bark once at the hotel.
Yeah, she knows. This is a barking zone.
Yeah, I love your spread here.
Well,
It's
thank
really
you.
really
Yeah.
nice.
To play with her so bad.
I know. I wish we could stay all day.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you. Bye. We got the toy. Roar. Roar. Tug. Tug. Tug, Remy Hound. All right. We got a new bed for the puppies and a new blanket. L Home Seersucker Down Alternative Comforter. Twin, only $19.99. Looks like we had an accident here. Let's not do this here, okay, guys? Here. Why don't you hop on out? Come on out. Hop on out. Come on. Hop on out. Yeah. Look at that. Go play with the gimbal. There. see if we can make this bed fit. Okay, guys. I'm setting you up here. It's gonna be nice. Look at all this. Oh, I think it's a perfect fit. There. Wow. Doggies is in pillow heaven now. Got some toys. How about this shark? Got a shark. Arr. We got a Reebok rope. Yeah, you like that. He likes it. He likes it. Oh my god. Oh. We got a Kong tire. Leaps and bounds. Uh-oh. Remy's jealous. She wants a toy. Well, we can give her a toy. Got these tennis balls. Well, they don't squeak. That's okay. Look at these two. Hey, Remy. Want a ball? No, there's two. Oh, here. Don't need that. That bed's for slumbering, not for chewing. Gives you an alternate location besides the crate. If y'all want to sleep separately sometime, each of you has a bed. But don't chew it, okay? Well. Then we got your crate over here. That looks nice and cozy, although you took the poopy paper in there and made a mess.